Hi, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chidanand, a final year BMS student. In previous class, we discussed the concept of Snayu Sharira in detail. Today, we are going to discuss about the seventh topic that is Peshi Sharira in detail. Okay. Peshi shaarira, in modern correlation, we can relate these topics with myology. Okay, myology. Myology means the study of muscles, their origin, insertion, and their functions in detail. That is called as myology. Myology means the study of muscles, origin, insertion, and their functions in detail. That is called as myology. Okay. Introduction. Peshi refers to muscles. Peshi refers to muscles. But in Ayurveda, peshi are derived from mamsa dhatu. Peshis are derived from the mamsa dhatu. Means here the peshi formation takes place from the mamsa dhatu, and they are covered with mamsadara kala. Mamsadara kala. It is the covering membrane. It is the covering membrane. Means peshis are covered with mamsadara kala. Okay. Here the word muscle in Ayurveda, we can consider this word as two meanings. One meaning is muscle means mamsa, and another meaning is muscle means peshi. Here muscle means mamsa means muscular tissue. Mamsa means muscular tissue. देखो, let us consider this as muscular tissue. Okay, muscular tissue, and peshi also called as muscle. Here here in introduction I said peshis are formed from the mamsa dhatu. The separated, when we split the mamsa dhatu, then it is called as peshi. This is muscular tissue. Okay, muscular tissue means mamsa. When we split the muscular tissue, the individual muscles, they are called as peshi. Okay. Now we discuss nirukti, definition of the peshi. मांस अवयव संगातः परस्पर विभक्तः पेशी मुच्यते. This shloka says that मांस अवयव संगातः, mamsa is the compact form of the mamsa dhatu. It is the compact form of the mamsa dhatu in sapta dhatu. It is one among the sapta dhatu, correct? When it gets separated from each other, when it get separated, vibhakta, paraspara vibhakta refers to when mamsa dhatu splits, when it separates, then it is called as peshi. In general, you remember, mamsa is the muscular tissue and peshi is the individual muscle. Okay. Now, when the muscle tissue gets separated into mamsa kanda, when muscle tissue is separated into mamsa kanda refers to individual muscle, then it is called as peshi. It is said by Acharya Dhallana. Okay. Paryaya of peshi means synonyms of peshi. They are mamsakanda peshi and mamsa peshi. These are synonyms of the peshi. Now, what are the composition of the peshi? Composition of the peshi means क्या क्या बन के पेशी बना है. देखो, Pancha Mahabhuta predominant in muscle is Prithvi Mahabhuta. Dosha predominant is Kapha dosha predominant, and Dhatu is Mamsa Dhatu. This is the composition MCQ में आ सकता है. MCQ, okay? MCQ में आ सकता है, okay? Now we see how the Peshi formation taken place according to Ayurveda, okay? The shloka goes like यथार्थम उष्मणा युक्तो वायुः स्रोतांसि धारयत् अनुप्रविश्यं पीशितं पेशिः विभजते ततः. This shloka explains that the first line explains that Ushmana here refers to Pitta dosha. By the combination of Pitta dosha and Vata, Vayu refers to the Vata dosha. When Vata and Pitta both together enters into the Srotamsi Dharayat, when these both combine together and enters into the Mamsavaha Srotas, they mention that when Vayu and Pitta, here Pitta refers to Ushmana, okay, enters into the Mamsavaha Srotas, then their Vibhajana means splits or separate, and it separates into Mamsa Kanda. It separates into Mamsa Kanda. Mamsa Kanda means individual muscles. That individual muscles are called as Peshi. That individual muscles are called as Peshi. Anupravishya pishitam peshihi vibhajate. Vibhajate here refers to split form of the muscular tissue. They are called as Peshi. This is formation of the Peshi, okay, according to Ayurveda. Now we see what are the functions. What are the functions of the Peshi? क्या क्या फंक्शन बॉडी में करता है पेशी? देखो, मांस पेशो बलाय शुर अवस्तंबाय देहिनाम. Here you focus on two words. They are bala and avastamba. Bala and avastamba. Peshi gives, bala means strength, right? It gives strength to the body. It gives strength to the body, and avastamba refers to it supports the body. It gives strength as well as it supports our body, okay? And also Sira Snayu Sandhi Asti. Sira Snayu Sandhi Asti. These are all covered by Peshi. These are all covered by Peshi. Hence, Peshi gives protection to the Sira, Snayu, Sandhi and Asti. It gives protection, and also it gives strength to the body, and it also supports to the body, okay. This is function of the patient. Now we discuss enumeration of peshi in our body, okay. According to Acharya Charaka, 400 peshis are there. 400 peshis are there. According to Acharya Shushruta said 500 peshi in males and 520 pesis are present in females. Here 20 extra muscles are present in women. It is said by Acharya Shushruta, okay. Total in male and female common is 500 muscles. Common muscles are 500 is common. Both 500 muscles present in males also and in females also. In shaka means upper limbs and lower limbs together how many muscles? 400 peshis are present, and in madhyama shaarira 66 peshis are present. Shira and griva, head and neck region, total 34 peshis are present, okay. Now we see the extra muscles present in females. This is very important for MCQ, okay, very important. 5 स्टार पक्का आएगा, MCQ क्वेश्चन. ओके, 20 extra muscles present in women, they are stana. How many stanas are present? 2 stana, right? 5 are present in one breast. Women have 2 breasts, then it 5 into 2, 5 into 2 कितना होगा? 10 muscles are present in stana region. Mammary glands में होता है 10 muscles, 5 each in each breast. Then कितना हो गया? 10 हो गया. Now अपत्य मार्ग here refers to the yoni have the muscles, external muscles as well as internal muscles, external 2 and internal muscles 2, total 4 in number, then garbha chidra here refers to cervix, there 3 muscles are present in garbha chidra, 3 muscles, in apatya marga 4 muscles, in stana total 10 muscles. Okay, in Shukrartava Pravishinna, in the passage of Shukra and Artava, total 3 muscles are present. Total कितना हो गया? 20 extra muscles are present in women. Okay, this is the enumeration of Peshi in detail. Okay,
1 hour later.
now we discuss the classification of Peshi, the classification of muscles, means Peshi in detail. Okay, Peshi dirgha mamsa peshakarah. Peshi are the long, fleshy and shaped like ligaments. They are called as Peshi. Based on or depend upon shape, there are 12 types of peshi, 12 types of muscles are explained by Acharya Sushruta. Depending upon shape of the muscles, the peshi are divided into 12 types. They are तासाम बहल पेलव स्थूल अणु पृथुवृत्त ह्रस्वदीर्घ स्थिर मृदु श्लक्ष्ण कर्कश भावाः. These are 12 types of the peshi depending upon shape. Okay, bahala means large muscle. One example is pectoralis major and pelava means small muscle. Bahala and pelava are opposite to each other. Okay, bahala is a large muscle and pelava is small muscle. One example for large muscle is pectoralis major. One example for small muscle, that is subclavius. Okay, now stula and anu. Stula means thick muscle and anu means thin muscle. One example for thick muscle, that is gluteus maximus, and thin muscle, that is tensor tympani. Here bahala pelava stula anu opposite to each other. Remember this. Okay, easy to remember. And pruthu and rutta. Here pruthu refers to flat muscle. Give one example for flat muscle in our body, that is rectus abdominis. The next one is round muscle, rutta means rutta refers to the round muscle. One example, that is orbicularis is the example for round muscle. Next one is hrusva and dirgha both are opposite. Hrusva refers to short muscle. One example is lumbricals, and dirgha longest muscle, the longest muscle present in our body, that is sartorius. Okay, and stira and mrudu. Stira refers to firm muscle. It attached tightly, and or it is stable muscle, that is coccygeus. The next one is mrudu, soft muscle present in our body, that is articularis genu. And shlakshna, smooth muscle. Give one example for smooth muscle in our body, that is muscles of the urinary bladder. The next one is karkasha. Karkasha refers to rough muscle in our body. They are calf muscles. Calf muscles. There are 12 types of the peshi are explained by Acharya Sushruta based on their shape. Okay, 12 types of the peshi. Okay, now we see the end of the topic, that is clinical anatomy related to peshi sharira, that is it relate mamsa pradoshaja vikara. Peshis are formed from the mamsa. Here mamsa pradoshaja, when mamsa is vitiated, it causes many diseases like adimamsa, arbuda and galaganda tumors. Galaganda means inflammation of the thyroid gland. Pakshagata means paralysis. Paralysis means loss of motor power in muscles. Motor power refers to the loss of movement in our lower limbs. Okay, that is called as paralysis. Anavata means rheumatism. It refers to inflammation of the muscle fibers. Inflammation of the muscle fibers. Clinical anatomy related to peshi sharira, that is mamsa pradoshaja vikara as well as pakshagata and anavata. These are some conditions, some clinical conditions related to the peshi sharira. Okay, here the chapter is completed. Thank you doctor. Keep learning. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर लो. Share with your BMS friends and juniors. Please do support, follow and subscribe for more Ayurveda content. For handwritten notes, join my WhatsApp community and Telegram link in description. Thank you.